Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox something. It's unusual. I don't even know where I came across it. But since I like different things and trying things from different countries and stuff, I found it's called Irish Taste Club. Now it is a subscription. You can get 1 month for $49 and the price goes down 3, 6 and whatever. I chose to get the 3-month one, so that was $142. Comes every month. It has 6 to 7 full-size artisan products from Ireland. It's actually shipped from Galway County, Ireland. So let's get started and see what we have. I'm kind of excited to try it. Now I did take the wrapper off because it was just in plain brown paper with my address. Little Irish Taste Club sticker on there. So let's see what we have. It is packaged pretty nice. Now there is a little flyer, tells about all the different products in there. It looks like I've got 4 or 5 or 6. Anyway, so let's get started and see what we have. Nice like straw type packaging. So first, Joe's Farm Crisps, grown and hand cooked on our farm. Mixed potatoes crisps with a sprinkle of Irish sea salt. They do try to promote local businesses, so that's why they choose things that you can't get just anywhere. I don't want to open them. Oh well, it has a zip tie thing, so let's see. It just tells you a little bit more about that on the paper there. But I always think it's interesting when we go travel to try some of the local foods. So I'm not really into the beauty subscription boxes. I like to try things different. Oh, they're different colors. Purple, red. They're kind of thick. Let me try one. Nice and salty. So those are very nice. They're kind of like, if you're familiar with kettle chips, that's kind of what they're like. Okay. So now we have chocolate Belgian biscuit bar. This one is orange. It is gluten and wheat free. Foods of Athenry. That is the area where they are made in Ireland. So we have an orange and also have caramel rocky road. That one sounds really good. Oh, and these were voted best in Ireland in 2017. They do have nice long expiration dates on them too. So vegan, dairy-free, egg-free, gluten-free, and wheat-free. That'll be interesting. Maria Lucia Bakes, granola and toasted muesli recipe ideas. So there's some recipes. So that is what we're coming up with now. No sugar added, fruit-free, gluten-free and dairy-free. This is a cereal. You can put it on your yogurt, just eat it with milk. Be kind of interesting, I think. It's in a bag, so again, I'm not going to open this because I don't want it to get stale. It's not a reclosable bag. Doesn't really tell you too much about it there. Hand-baked, gluten, wheat-free breakfast products. No sugar added. It's a mix of oats, coconut flakes, nuts, and seeds infused with coconut oil, vanilla, and cinnamon. That sounds like that. Right up my alley. I'll eat with my yogurt. Oh, now we have something. They do package everything really nice so that it gets here, because coming from Ireland, to get a 3-month subscription just to try it out. probably if you've seen any of my other videos, like the X Pack and that, they're all different. This is a 4 citrus marmalade. Oh, good. Marmalade is something really popular in the United Kingdom. I can't wait to try that out. And this is made in Lowry County, Galway. Okay, we have something else. This looks like some kind of a bottle. The marmalade is grapefruit, orange, lemon, and lime. Boy, these are packaged good, but they're kind of hard to open. Honey mustard and lemon dressing. Great with salads, fish, and grilled meats. That sounds really good. Honey mustard, lemon juice, olive oil, sunflower oil, cider vinegar, and salt. Produced in small batches. And it's suitable for vegetarians. So we have that as well. And last, gourmet soda bread toast, multi-seed with cumin, some kind of crackers. They're really focusing a lot on the gluten-free, vegetarian type foods this month. Okay, well, let me open these. I think we'll open these and try these ones. Like I said, everything is to promote small businesses, specialty foods. And boy, they really, I don't know, just rip it open. Oh, well, actually, that's pretty good. I am going to try these. So you can see all the seeds and everything in there. That would be good with some cheese, maybe even with your salad. It's really pretty good. The cumin really comes through. So, for my first box, got the salad dressing, the marmalade, the 2 bars, the cereal, the crisps, and the crackers. So, for me, I think this was well worth what I spent for it. But, like I said, I know it's not for everybody, so if you like it, go to irishtasteclub.com. And if you like this video and want to see more of what we have coming up, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.